कैसे हो? हाउ आर यू? Good afternoon to all of you. Now I became very healthy after 1 month. Dear students, in these epidemic conditions, if a person becomes ill, then there are so many types of fear arises in the mind, and that's why I have so many problems in my body. Cholesterol problem arises in me. That's why I could not attend the class. So I am very regret, and I request you all guys, you please maintain the class once again. Now we have a look on types of respiration for class 10th students. We are going to study about the biology types of respiration. In previous class we had already discussed about the glucose, pyruvic acid, lactic acid, etc. Before we go to the deep of the description, glucose C6H12O6, it is a 6 carbon atom compound. It is a simple food which is oxidized in the cells of organisms during respiration. Another one is the oxidation of glucose provide acid is called glycolysis. It occurs in the cytoplasm of a cell and not mitochondria. Pyruvic acid is a 3 carbon atom compound and it is called the pyruvate. The formula of pyruvic acids is CH3 dice C double O double dice O, then once again hash C double OH. Types of respiration. Before we go deep in description, we have to remember about some important compounds. Glucose C6H12O6. Another one is pyruvate. You can say pyruvic acid. Formula is concerned CH3 C double OH double. It is a ketonic carboxylic acid. It is a ketonic, you can say pyruvic acid, ketonic carboxylic acid. Carboxylic third one is lactic acid. CH3CH C double OH. It is hydroxy carboxylic acid. Carboxylic acid. Now types of respiration. There are two types of respiration. One is with oxygen and another one is without oxygen. With oxygen, that is aerobic, AERO, aerobic respiration. With oxygen. The respiration which uses oxygen is called aerobic respiration. Oxygen is aerobic respiration. Aerobic respiration, in this respiration, it produces a considerable amount of energy for use of the organism, which gets stored in ATP molecules. The breaking down in aerobic respiration glucose is completely broken down in sufficient amount of energy in ATP. How does it occurs? Aerobic respiration occurs let's look. First one is glucose. Glucose is broken down in मतलब in cytoplasm, glycolysis. Cytoplasm, and then after in pyruvic acid, you can say pyruvic acid, pyruvate. Into molecules. And pyruvic acids, oxygen in mitochondria, then it reaches on 6CO2 plus 6H2O plus 6O2. You can say 3 ATP. मतलब it is broken down glucose, as you know. C6H12O6 is broken down in carbon dioxide, water, and 3 ATP energy. During aerobic respiration, one molecule of glucose produces 38 energy rich ATP molecules. Aerobic respiration. One molecule of glucose is broken down in 38 ATP energy. ATP, as you know, adenosine triphosphate. Okay. Those organisms which requires energy for oxygen, without oxygen they cannot live. You can say mitochondria are the sites of aerobic respiration in the cells. As we know, that mitochondria is the site of aerobic respiration. Of the organisms. Now let's we have a look on anaerobic respiration. Anaerobic, it means without oxygen. The respiration which occurs without oxygen is known as the anaerobic respiration. Okay. Microorganisms like yeast in this respiration takes place in microorganisms like yeast, fungi, etc. In this respiration, glucose is broken down in ethanol, C2H5OH outside and 2 ATP only. In the next class we will continue from here, and I will also describe how glucose is glycolized in aerobic, it means human beings also. Okay, once again I would like to suggest you, being students of science, I request you all guys, you do not think that the epidemic situation has been gone. The government has unlocked us, but whatever the viruses is concerned, they do not have given unlock. So please, whenever if you come in market or any rushing places, your crowded area, you must use 110% mask. You must use 110% mask. Then after, you must have carry with yourself a little sanitizer and a plastic chappal. You can say slipper. Whenever if you go back at your home, you must just right off your clothes, wash your hands first, then after your mouth, and then the entire body, and then into your home. Then you will be free from any type of viruses. I wish you all the best. Thank you and have a nice day.